Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Today my topic is theoretical definitions in physiology. Hmm? Terms of workout memory. Theoretical definition of working memory in a integrated system is the limited capacity data possible response to temporary holding and multiple manipulating information necessary for complex tasks such as reasoning, learning and comparisons, proposing Wadley and Hitch working memory model. Delivered both combinations physicals and supported by experimental evidence. Based on a specific theoretical framework involving central executive controls attention, phonological loops handles whereby info, visuals sketch handles visuals. It's a model of mental process are not directly observations but informed from behavior and brain studies. Example we use a physiologist by working memory by having subjects remember the manipulate sequences of numbers while doing math problems and examples to the central executive functions at work. Would you like a diagram or visual models to along with the definition? Absolutely, here are detailed explanations of the central executive are key opponents of the working memory model developed by Alan Baddeley and Graham Hitch, 1974. That executive full detail definitions. The central execute and the core component of working memory that acts as a controller of supervisor or coordination the activities of the subsystems and managing cognitive tasks such as attention, decisions making are task switches. Structures and the working memory model. Working memory model. Central execute controller. Logical loops, loop, verbal information, sketch visuals and information. Later added episode buffer degrades at domains across. Damn tom. 664 44 function descriptions, attention, focus, dividing and switching, attentions between task block,